People are overthinking GTM engineering hardcore. They believe that they have to buy like 5 different tools for 50K a year in order to kick things off the ground, or that they need somebody like really smart, a coder. But things don't have to be this way. With the recent Swan launch, GTM engineering is accessible to everybody who can chat with AIs. In the next 3 minutes, I will show you how I created this amazing ABM program that got it up and running in no time. Let's do it. Now look at this interface. Isn't it beautiful and simple? Pipeline's not gonna fill itself. Let's fill it up, Swan. First prompt that I wanna run here is literally send me a message whenever they are hiring for new positions in GTM. Why is this important? Because in my line of work, whenever something is going on in those companies GTM related, that means great timing, budget, as well as probably like a little bit of a mess of an activity. So guess what? I can help. The thing is that I will literally just upload a list of accounts here. Now let's see how it runs. So now we have 46 companies as our target accounts. We have GTM hiring signal monitor, meaning that twice a week I will get notification to our Slack who is hiring for GTM roles, plus what's the best way to get the conversation started. And what is really interesting here is that this is done in the background without me having to interfere or worry about this on being bombarded with random notifications that I don't have time to execute on now. If I want to get some work done really fast, let's give it another prompt. So out of these accounts, please create some sort of reach out email that I will approve, because I generated content and big companies the last time I checked did not vet so well. So let's run this one to get me the contacts and the messages. Okay, but if I want to get some work done right now, let me just like play around a little bit more now, find me relevant buyers at Clay, based on the signal that I specify that it is relevant, and prepare me personalized DMs for my approval in Slack. It nailed it, literally the one that I spent with the most time at Clay. Now let's see how it looks like on Slack, and I can like approve it or review it and automatically send it from this interface as well. Now that I got so hyped about this workflow, I want it to become a skill. Let's create a skill. Perfect. I can do it a little bit of tweaks here because I would like to differentiate between the existing companies that I'm working with and the newer ones. But in the skill section, you will find so much more awesome customizations that you can run. Check one favorite, for example. This is just like target account research and qualification. Here, I want to differentiate between a workflow for mid-mark single decision maker and enterprise buying unit. Why? Because that means that you actually have to find like the first person to contact there and just like do the cascade of hierarchical messaging. So I definitely want to tackle those entities differently. If you are really into the automation, there are of course tools and integrations that you can connect to Swan that will help you run these workflows autonomously. And what I really liked about what we did today is how simple it was, right? So I didn't have to communicate with a bunch of tools. We did 3 simple actions, and Swan itself acted as a GTM engineer and did all the heavy lifting in terms of like how to tweak the workflows in order to get the job done, and I was supervising it as a human. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you take the new version of Swan for a spin. If you have some other interesting playbooks ideas, let me know in comments so I can take them for a spin as well. Have fun building your GTM agentic workflows using Swan.